Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today, instead of doing nail art, I'm going to try a nail and hand care item. I've already tried it on my feet and I fell in love with it. And I'll show you the little packages. These were sent to me by the Bodipure company. I haven't tried the gloves out yet. I have tried the socks out and I can tell you they were amazing. And I want to show you how I use them. The socks are very, very big. They will fit over any feet that I've ever seen. They will go up past your ankles. You'll get a wonderful pedicure out of these. There are 2 in the package. Perfect for an at-home pedicure or in the salon setting. And I want to show you the gloves. I'm going to use them real quick. How I used the socks. I just cut the package open. Of course, wash your hands or feet first. And I'm going to do one hand so that, well, just to ease of filming, I'll show you how they come. I'll take care of the other hand after the video. You can see it's not greasy, it's not on my skin. So if you're dealing with a client, you wouldn't actually have to get messy on yourself. And look at this glove, it is huge. There's 2 of them here. So I'm just gonna set one aside. I'll use that later. And professionals can buy these in bulk. And us at-home users can buy them as well. I'm gonna show you, look how big this is. Left or right-handed, just like an oven mitt will go on. You simply take your clean hand. I was looking for something like this in the store and this company contacted me about this and I was just so amazed. Let me just slip it on. And there's absolutely no mess versus some hand masks that I've tried using in the past. And you just rub in the treatment, paying good attention to your trouble spots. And you rub, rub, rub. Just rub that in, massage it in. If you want to go ahead and take care of your cuticles now, you could. Just poke them through the hole. Poke a hole through the glove. But I'm going to do something else first. I noticed when I did my feet that it felt a little chilly because I'm in the air conditioning. So I took a damp towel that was microwaved and I just placed it over my hand, and oh, I'm telling you, that feels so good. And the reason I'm not doing this hand is just because I want to hold up their paper. I'm going to put some of this on the screen for you. This is from the Bodipure company. They sell professional spa products, but you can get these for at-home use as well. They have antifungal treatment in it. They have keratin, which makes up our hands, our skin, nails, hair. Vitamin E, hydrating urea, and liptic pre-act for UV protection. You know that UV is always a problem for everyone, so that's great. I've been looking for something with UV protection in it. And it's all-in-one hand and foot treatment. You can pamper your clients or yourself. I'll put all this on the screen for you. Can be worn over polished nails. It's sanitary, disposable, cost effective. Says you need no massage cream or cuticle oil needed. Touch screen friendly, free of parabens and I can't say that word. It's basically, like it says, it's 100% vegetable and renewable resources. So that's great. This is how the professional packs would come. That's what I have here. You can buy them in bulk, or for retail you can buy them and they will come as gloves and socks. Socks only or gloves only, I believe. Their contact information will all be down below. I just left it on my feet until the towel got cool. And they say that they're actually the first, that this is like a facial sheet mask, except that it's for your hands and feet. The main ingredient is keratin, which promotes healthy hair and nail growth with an infusion of vitamin E, liptic pre-act, Promotes anti-aging. We all want that. UV protection and urea enhances the hydration of the skin. Helps it to penetrate into that skin. And for the professionals, you would go to Bodipure.com. I'll put that on the screen and down below. For regular consumers like myself, you'd go to KeratinGloves.com. And currently, I don't receive anything for this. I just received the product. That's it. And some information that will be down below. So read that carefully down below. Read the information. There's a little surprise for you down there, so please read it. There's also a 10% off code that you get to use. I don't receive anything for that. It's my YouTube channel name, Nails of Interest. 10%, all caps. That's good until August 31st, 2019. I receive no commission whatsoever for that. Nothing. It's just 10% off for you. Make sure you read that description down below. There is a surprise down there. 2 people gets a nice little surprise. So now that my towel's cooled off, I can take it off. And you can take, if you want to, just poke your nail through. I don't have many, sorry, my towel's all over the place. I don't have many cuticle, but you could just rub it in real good. If you have any cuticle on your skin, this did loosen it up on my toes. I just don't happen to have a lot on my skin, on my fingers. You would just be able to remove it really, really easily. And then you could plop these back on. Continue to the next finger, poke it through. Treat that finger. Put it back through the glove and continue on with your manicure. I mean, I would love to have a spa or nail salon put something like this on me, in addition to those hot towel services that some provide. And just rub it in. And you can take it off this way if you want, or pull it off like this. Oh yeah, let's see if it is touchscreen friendly. I was playing with it while I was resting. Take this, dispose of it. You can take it off like I did. There's nothing on the outside. But it's also good for your skin, so why wouldn't you want some? Then you can take this in and just rub it in like a regular lotion. You can rub it in all the way up to your elbows. There's plenty of it here. I'll go ahead and give my other hand a little treatment while I'm here. I mean, this is a lot of moisturization. And just keep rubbing it in until you get as much soaked in as you want. And after you're done, if there's any excess, just dry it off or rub it in some more. I mean, it feels so silky smooth. Even the one that I didn't soak for as long feels a bit glorious, but this one just feels so glorious. I can already see a little difference in my skin from that quick treatment. I didn't leave it on nearly as long as I did on my feet. I may go ahead and put the glove back on and use it a little bit more because I really love it. It smells, it's got a nice light scent. I don't know how to describe it. I have severe allergies and it hasn't bothered me at all. It's been over 48 hours since I had it on my feet. There's no allergies to it whatsoever. I'm very sensitive to smells. It's not like super florally or anything like that nature. So make sure that you read the description down below. Make sure you read that. There's a surprise down there. Down there. I can't hint at it much more than that. I'd like to thank the Bodipure company for sending these to me to give it a try. I really do like it. My nails and hands will be thanking you for this. Yes, I believe I'm going to put that back on and just kick back and watch some YouTube videos. Put them both on and just enjoy. You can touch the screen with the gloves on. I just didn't have a screen here for you. to show you, but you can touch a screen through the gloves. And again, make sure you read that description down below. I can't stress that enough. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'm really loving these. I'll update you if I have any problems with them, but I don't see any. I really enjoy these. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.